can tell me to shut up. You can threaten to kill me. But it won't do nothing. That girl you raped, whose husband and baby you murdered, that girl died. And you can't kill what's already dead.
This woman's a lying thief. She's just upset because I caught her trying to steal my horse. I'll have you arrested, you drunken whore.
I'm not your whore. I'm not your nightingale. Your little bird, your dove. I'm not your anything. I belong to me and no one else! When all the women are raped, when all the men and babies are killed, what will you do then, Lieutenant?
Get out, mad woman. You're not allowed in here.
Look at you, all dressed up and shiny, like butter wouldn't melt. The big, strong man.
Someone get her out!
What's the matter, little soldier boy? Didn't your mammy love you? I wish I were on yonder hill. 'Tis there I'd sit and cry my fill, and every tear would turn a mill. Iskate to my warning's lawn. I'll sell my rock, I'll sell my reel, I'll sell my only spinning wheel to buy my love a sword of steel. I wish in vain. I wish I had my love